Welcome to our channel Storm Rider. The BRP Antonio Luna FF151 is one of the most advanced and versatile warships currently serving with the Philippine Navy, a symbol of the country's move toward a more modern, capable, and flexible naval force. At just over 107 meters in length and about 14 meters wide, the ship is big enough to handle open-sea missions yet compact enough for operations in crowded or shallow waters, a balance that fits perfectly with the Philippines' archipelagic geography. It displaces around 2,600 to 2,900 tons depending on load, giving it room for advanced weapons, sensors, and endurance without sacrificing agility. The design of the ship emphasizes stealth, with smooth surfaces, a sleek profile, and an enclosed mast to reduce radar visibility, making it harder for opponents to detect at long range. This stealth-focused design, combined with modern materials and careful engineering, allows the ship to operate more effectively in contested waters where surprise and lower detectability can mean the difference between success and failure. The propulsion system uses a combined diesel and diesel arrangement, driven by 4 MTU engines supported by diesel generators for onboard systems. This setup pushes the ship to speeds of about 25 knots, which is more than enough for interception, repositioning, or disengagement during combat. What makes it especially valuable is not just the top speed but its endurance. The ship can travel roughly 4,500 nautical miles and remain operational at sea for about a month without resupply. That endurance is critical for the Philippines, a country with vast maritime zones that need constant surveillance, patrol, and defense. With a core crew complement of about 65 to 110 sailors, the vessel is designed with automation in mind, reducing manpower requirements while increasing efficiency. Living spaces, control stations, and maintenance systems are modern and streamlined, designed for both combat readiness and crew comfort on extended missions. Its combat systems are one of the highlights of the Antonio Luna. A modern combat management system integrates all sensors and weapons, creating a clear operational picture that allows the crew to monitor threats from air, surface, or undersea simultaneously. The ship uses 3-dimensional surveillance radar capable of detecting aircraft and ships at long ranges while also picking up smaller, fast-moving contacts like speedboats or even periscopes in favorable conditions. This is supported by electronic warfare systems and decoys to mislead or neutralize incoming threats like missiles. These defensive tools make the ship resilient in modern naval warfare where threats can come from multiple directions and domains at once. When it comes to armament, the Antonio Luna is equipped for multi-role missions. Its primary gun is a 76mm OTO Malara that can fire rapidly against surface, air, or coastal targets. For offensive strike power, it carries SSM-700KC Star anti-ship missiles, giving it the ability to target hostile vessels at significant distances. Submarine threats are addressed through torpedo tubes loaded with lightweight Blue Shark torpedoes, and the ship has been designed with room for future upgrades like vertical launch systems for more advanced missiles. Close-range defense is handled by secondary weapons and planned installations of close-in weapon systems, designed to protect against fast-approaching aircraft, drones, or incoming missiles. The layered mix of weapons gives the Antonio Luna the flexibility to act against nearly any type of adversary it might encounter. Adding to its capabilities is the helicopter deck and enclosed hangar that can accommodate a medium helicopter such as the AW-159 Wildcat. This feature greatly expands the ship's effectiveness. A helicopter can patrol far beyond the horizon, track submarines with dipping sonar, launch torpedoes, or conduct search and rescue missions. For an archipelagic nation, the ability to extend reach beyond line of sight is a tremendous asset, making the ship not just a platform of weapons but also a hub for maritime surveillance and multi-domain operations. The strengths of Antonio Luna lie in its versatility and balance. It is not designed to dominate only one type of warfare but to handle multiple roles well. It can conduct anti-surface, anti-air, and anti-submarine operations, and at the same time perform humanitarian or patrol missions when needed. This makes it a truly multi-purpose platform, something highly valuable for a navy that must cover vast seas with limited numbers of large ships. It is also designed with growth in mind, meaning its systems can be upgraded as budgets and technology allow, ensuring it stays relevant for decades. There are, of course, limitations. While it can defend itself from aircraft and missiles to some extent, it does not provide wide-area air defense like larger destroyers or cruisers can. Some systems are still awaiting installation, and its size limits how much equipment can be packed onboard. Against highly advanced adversaries with large fleets, it would require support from allies or additional vessels. But these trade-offs are expected, given its category as a frigate-class ship designed to balance cost, capability, and mission flexibility. Performance in exercises and joint operations has shown that Antonio Luna is reliable and effective. It has taken part in multinational drills with allied navies, where it demonstrated interoperability, endurance, and tactical flexibility. Feedback from crew members highlights the efficiency of its automated systems, which help reduce workload while increasing combat effectiveness. Its helicopter capability has also proven to be a major advantage in operations, expanding the range and responsiveness of the ship. From an aesthetic and functional standpoint, the ship looks modern and purposeful. The clean lines and stealth-influenced superstructure give it a futuristic silhouette, while features like the enclosed helicopter hangar show careful attention to protecting equipment and maintaining readiness in harsh seas. Crew facilities are designed to improve quality of life on long deployments, which is a vital factor for morale and effectiveness in real-world missions. Strategically, Antonio Luna represents much more than just another warship. It is a clear symbol of the Philippines stepping up in terms of maritime defense and asserting sovereignty over its waters. For a country facing increasing maritime challenges, having a warship capable of sustained operations, regional deterrence, and cooperative missions with allies is crucial. It serves as a deterrent against aggression, a tool for protecting trade routes and exclusive economic zones, and a platform for humanitarian response in times of disaster. It is also a reflection of international cooperation, built in South Korea and equipped with global technology, ensuring it is compatible with allied forces in joint operations. In essence, the BRP Antonio Luna FF151 is not just a ship, but a versatile and powerful tool of state policy, defense, and security. It blends speed, endurance, stealth, advanced sensors, and a diverse weapons suite into a balanced package that meets the needs of the Philippine Navy today and leaves room for tomorrow. While not the largest or most heavily armed vessel in the world, it stands out for doing many tasks well, offering flexibility, and providing the Philippines with a modern platform to project power and protect its national interests across the seas.